Hello everyone, in this video I will be unboxing this Swisstech Mini Multitool 8-in-1. This package also includes nylon belt holster, so you could carry this everywhere with this belt holster. This is the belt holster. Instructions and the multi-tool. For a quick review, it has a serrated knife. It has a Phillips screwdriver, a bottle opener, and a straight edge knife. On the other side, it has a flashlight, LED light, and that's the light. And inside you have a plier, and that's all you have in one package. And it weighs about 71 grams, 2.5 ounce, and that's about it. So that's all, and thanks for watching.